Good evening, everybody. I congratulate UP NRI Forum, Kuwait, for organizing this important webinar, Parenting and Eye Care during COVID-19 pandemic, on this important occasion of the Kuwait National and Liberation Day. I congratulate the office bearers of the UP NRI Forum for this initiative. It is a great initiative. These are difficult times for everyone, for children, parents, teachers, for everyone. And one of the main challenges is the online academic system which is going on. I'm very happy that UP NRI Forum has taken this initiative to address one important aspect of the challenge we face with the COVID pandemic. And I'm also happy that UP NRI Forum has been doing a lot of great service, welfare activities during the last several years, including particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic, in helping the community in Kuwait. I once again congratulate them for this initiative and for the activities Forum has been doing for the community. I'm happy that this program today is being handled by two very important, very reputed people, Dr. Mabel Bishnoi and Dr. Hina Beg. I'm sure that their lessons and comments would definitely help the community, the student community, the parents, everyone in facing these challenges of COVID situation. I also congratulate the UP NRI Forum for doing this event at this particular time when we celebrate the anniversary of the National Day and also the Liberation Day of Kuwait. It is a very important milestone. This is the 60th anniversary of the National Day and 30th anniversary of the Liberation Day. And for India in particular, this is also the 60th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between India and Kuwait. India was one of the first countries to recognize Kuwait immediately after it became a separate state of Kuwait. I use this opportunity to congratulate all our Kuwaiti friends on this important occasion. And again, this year we are celebrating the 75th anniversary of India's independence. So this is an year of anniversaries and festivities. Unfortunately, we cannot do it in a big way because of the COVID restrictions and COVID pandemic. But I use this opportunity to congratulate each one of you for the initiative they have taken, UP NRI Forum has taken, and I wish the webinar all the success. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.